Hello! We'd like to introduce a new tool for sending funds to multiple addresses in one transaction. It's perfect for bulk payments or regular transfers like salaries. Simply paste your list of addresses in CSV format or upload a file. Supported separators are comma, semicolon, and space. Each line should follow this format: address, amount, and description, which is optional. The example of how the address should look like you can see on the screen. Let's make your first bulk transfer. So let's do our first bulk withdrawal. Upload CSV with required data. Add a description if desired. Click on the button Details. You can save addresses to history. The system saves the history of uploaded CSV files. You can select the desired list in the Address History section and reuse it. Fill in other mandatory fields. Now you can confirm your bulk withdrawal. All done! The transaction is completed. Then, if you need, in the history, you can see List of Pending Transfer Requests. You can get list of your saved addresses in CSV format by clicking button History. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write to us.